show you the recipe of mushroom soup. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some corn flour, mushroom, black pepper which are crushed, some garlic which are chopped, some onion which is finely chopped, some coriander, some salt and 2 glasses of water. So let's start. Now I have a pan where our oil is heated. I am going to add some chopped garlic clove. With that, I am going to add some chopped onions. We are going to mix it. Now my onion and garlic cloves are a little bit golden brown. I am going to add some chopped mushrooms. We are going to mix them. Now my mushrooms are cooked. I am going to add salt, or you can add as per taste. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 glasses of water, and some coriander leaves. Let it mix and let the water boil. Now I have some corn flour. I am going to add some water in it to mix and make some water out of corn flour, and there should be no lumps. Now my soup is boiling. I am going to put the corn flour water we made before. This will make the thickness correct. So this is my Indian style mushroom soup at home. Please try this recipe at home. It is very delicious and tasty. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video. Until that time, bye bye.